Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Igbo with Kosiso. If you have always wanted to learn Igbo, you're in the right place. In today's lesson, I'll be teaching you 30 simple Igbo words and phrases you can start using every day. Let's get started. Greetings. Hello, ndewo. Good morning, ụtụtụ ọma. Good afternoon, ehihie ọma. Good evening, mgbede ọma. Good night, kachifo. Some polite words in Igbo language. Please, biko, thank you, Daalụ, sorry, ndo, welcome, no. Simple response in Igbo language. Yes, no, mba, okay, ọ dị mma. Family in Igbo language. Mother, nne, father, nna, sibling, nwanne, child, nwa. Everyday words in Igbo language. Water, mmiri, food, nri, house, ụlọ, road, ụzọ. Some feelings in Igbo language. Happy, obi ụtọ. Sad, obi mgbawa. Angry, iwe. Some numbers in Igbo language. 1, otu. 2, abụọ. 3, atọ. 4, anọ. 5, ise. Some useful questions in Igbo language. What? Gịnị? Who? Onye? Where? Ebe. Congratulations, you just learned 30 simple Igbo words and phrases. Keep practicing a few words every day, and before long, you will be able to hold simple Igbo conversation. See you in my next class. Bye. Ka ọ dịnụ.